So the Legion Go S was released not too long ago, and we've also seen leaks in that CES 2025 showcase of the Legion Go 2. Honestly, the hype feels genuine this time. Everywhere I look, people are calling this Lenovo's first proper next-gen handheld. After examining all the details, I believe I understand why. Lenovo is moving to the AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme processor, up to 32 GB of RAM, and support for up to 2 TB SSDs. That's a significant leap compared to the original Go and even the Go S. Early estimates suggest anywhere from a 12 to 25% performance increase in games depending on settings. Then there's the display. This time, it's an 8.8-inch OLED panel, 144Hz refresh rate, and variable refresh rate support. And here's the smart part. Lenovo actually reduced the resolution from 2560 by 1600 down to 1920 by 1200. That sounds like a downgrade at first, but it may be the right move. The Go 1 struggled with 1600p in modern games, so this change means more consistent performance and better battery life. Speaking of battery, Lenovo's putting in a 74 watt-hour pack this time, much larger than the Go S's 55 watt-hour. That alone has people excited, since battery life was one of the biggest complaints about the original model. The detachable controllers are back, but with improvements. They're backwards compatible with the original Go, but now, each one has its own USB-C port for charging. There's also the FPS Mode, one of those features that sounds gimmicky until you see shooter fans using it like a mouse. That's something missing on the Go S, so it helps separate the flagship from the entry model. On the software side, Lenovo has confirmed AMD will be directly handling driver updates for the Go 2, which is a big relief for people who struggled with slow Lenovo patches on the first Go. And then this detail that's getting a lot of attention. The Go S launched with a Steam OS option, which has people speculating whether the Go 2 will get the same. Right now, leaks still point to Windows first, but the community clearly wants that choice, especially for smoother UI and better battery. Some are cautious, saying the jump from Go 1 to Go 2 feels incremental if you already own the original, but overall the tone is way more positive than I expected. A lot of players are saying this is the first handheld that feels like a real step up rather than just a refresh. Leaks suggest the Legion Go 2 could land anywhere between $900 and $1,000 for the higher-end models, with some saying it might even touch $1,100 if you want the Z2 Extreme chip, 32 gigs of RAM, and a 2 TB SSD. That's a big step up from the original Go, which launched at $699. So why is everyone still excited, even with that price bump? For one, this looks like the most advanced handheld hardware we've seen. The Ryzen Z2 Extreme, 8.8-inch 144Hz OLED, 74 watt-hour battery, loads of RAM and storage. On paper, it's closer to a gaming laptop in handheld form than something like a Steam Deck. Then there are the unique features. Detachable controllers with FPS Mode, the big OLED panel with variable refresh and improved grips. Stuff that feels genuinely new instead of just a spec bump. A lot of people admit they're willing to pay for the absolute best, even if it's $1,000 plus. They see it as a halo device for the whole category, something that justifies the cost if it really delivers. Some even argue it could replace a laptop entirely. You dock it, and you've got a full gaming setup. And finally, some people who missed the first Legion Go are claiming this is the one they've been waiting for. The buzz is widespread, and even those who find it overpriced acknowledge it marks a significant step forward for Windows handhelds. So yeah, the hype makes sense, at least for me. The Legion Go 2 is shaping up to be a true flagship. Not cheap by any means, but built for enthusiasts who want the best experience possible and don't mind paying for it. That's where things stand with the Legion Go 2. I'm eager to hear your thoughts. Leave your comments below, and if you'd like to see more breakdowns like this, you know what to do.